Okay, what we have here is a it's about 125 watt DC high voltage power supply. These are the parts. The diode are NT 517s for a full bridge, and then we also have another 517 on the way out after it goes through a capacitor. It's a bleed resistor here. That capacitor we had there arced, so this new one is actually it's 0.15 microfarads at 6 kV DC. Yeah, that's 1.15. That's 1. Bleed resistor, 100 megs, 5 watts. It's a metal resistor. And we actually have 4. Actually, this case we've only got 2 fluorescent 48-inch tubes. They're 34 watts, I believe. The neon transformer, 6 kV at 25 milliamps. That's a transformer, 6025 SEG-U. Spark gap. Actually, we have a spark plug here. And these are the fluorescent lights. This is what it looks like right here. This is actually a bake cap. And I think you can see the number there. Got these out of an X-ray machine. eBay, we're selling a bunch of them. Should have got more of them. And that's the metal 100 meg bleed resistor. I don't know if we can see the. It's hard to see those. Right down here are the microwave oven diodes, and then we have another one coming out here. We have a spark plug here, just so we can actually see the spark gap. The other normal one is covered; you can't see it. This one you can see it's a little louder too. It draws a lot more power than my other one. And yeah, here's the transformer here. We're going through a. This is basically a impedance matching network with capacitors. Each one of these about 4 microfarads. We can add more and more in parallel here, and that's coming from a. We have a isolation transformer over there. That's 500 watts. It's a torrid transformer, and then power supply is actually coming from a 2 kilowatt variac. So this is isolated, and we also have impedance matching with capacitors here, so we can limit the resistance, actually limit the current going into the transformer. We use this, actually this was designed for a microwave oven transformer, and it limits the current quite a bit. Without a ballast inside the microwave oven, it's extremely dangerous, and you can overcurrent that thing real quick, heartbeat. So this will actually limit a microwave oven transformer. 4 microfarads each, and it works fine. Okay, we're going to fire up the variac here, and this is we're running about 80 at 80 volts AC. You'd be running a little over 5,000 volts DC. Starting to put a load on it now, and the spark gap definitely determines how much load is in your system here. We're using a lot more power now with this spark plug versus my other enclosed spark gap. So we're actually getting the strobe light here, strobe effect. So there you have it.